Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to export your finished cube as an STL file. Okay, so when your cube is done, you can look down here in your browser. It probably says part 1. You can right click on it and click export. Here you're going to rename your file name with your own name. Okay, call it cube or something. Over here, you're going to choose your file format. Is going to be STL. This is the format that the 3D printer accepts so that we can print it. Okay, all this stuff you can leave alone. This stuff, it doesn't matter. Remember, we're going to print out a 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch cube anyway, so none of this stuff really matters. And then you're going to click, make sure you're downloading it, and then click OK. And that's it. Take the file that gets downloaded and upload that to Google Classroom. And then you have completed your submission of this project.